Hello everyone. Welcome to the Travel News Part 2. Before we start today's session, please subscribe our YouTube channel to get more updates about the travel. The first update is New Zealand declares itself as corona-free country and said that New Zealand will be lifting all restrictions related to COVID-19 almost immediately, except the strict border controls, as the country has no active cases at present. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Arden announced this after the health officials declared that there are no known active cases of the coronavirus now, and stated that the country had united in unprecedented ways to crush the virus. The health officials also declared that they have not reported any active cases from last 17 days straight. That is the good news from the New Zealand. Fiji has also announced that it has become coronavirus-free after the Pacific island nation treated its last known infected patient. Prime Minister tweeted, "Fiji has just cleared the last of our active COVID-19 patients." He added, "And even with our testing numbers climbing by the day, it's now been 45 days since we recorded our last case. With no deaths, our recovery rate is 100%. The next update is Europe travel. The European Union will not be opening its internal borders fully till the end of June, which means travel restrictions on traveling to and from other countries will be eased after this time frame. EU Home Affairs Commissioner announced this recently. In order to provide a boost to summer holiday plans of millions of Europeans, reportedly, most EU countries are expected to end internal border controls by the 15th of June. This means Europeans will be able to make summer holiday plans that will provide the much-needed boost to the hard-hit tourism industry. Germany takes a step further to ease travel restrictions as German Chancellor Angela Merkel's government opens up European travel. The German government has laid out plans regarding the same, with recommendations for each nation in the European Union, EU. The date has been fixed as June 15, 2020. Spain to welcome international tourists from July 1. Spain MP Pedro Sanchez has announced that the country will start welcoming international tourists from July 1, 2020. According to reports, the Spanish government will officially lift the 14-day quarantine policy for overseas tourists. The PM, in his announcement, said, "As you know, Spain receives more than 80 million visitors a year. I am announcing that from July, Spain will reopen for foreign tourism in conditions of safety." The next update is Maldives to reopen for tourists in July, with mandatory health guidelines. That is the good news for the beach lovers. Minister of Tourism of Maldives Ali Wahid announced that the Maldives is planning to reopen from July 1. The official statement issued by the ministry board read, "We are planning to reopen our borders for visitors in July 2020. The country is all set to welcome tourists from Asian countries, including India, China, South Korea, and Sri Lanka, and in the Middle East. However, the country won't be entertaining guests from 12 countries, which include Spain, Italy, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Dubai is ready to reopen beaches and parks. Dubai reopens beaches and popular parks by 29 May. Referring to this, the Dubai municipality stated that they are reopening Jumeirah, Jebel Walk, Al Mamsar, and Sukaim beaches. Bali might be welcoming the international tourists in October. Some hopeful news coming from one of the most visited beach destinations in Asia. Bali might start welcoming tourists from foreign lands, starting October 2020. Though the dates have not been declared yet, the Balinese government is reportedly planning to reopen once again between June and October. Sri Lanka to open for tourism from August with safety guidelines. The Sri Lanka Tourism Promotion Bureau has now clarified regarding the nation reopening for tourism. According to Bureau report, August is the month when they are planning to start welcoming tourists, precisely, August 1. But it is going to be for a limited number of people, and only in small groups. The chairperson of SLTPB, Kimberly Fernando, denied earlier reports that said that the tourism industry is set to reopen in mid-June. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more updates.